Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to reviewing a product which name is Medi pore 9 tightening serums. In this video we will discuss what the products claim and what are the ingredients of these serums and what is the way of applying these serums. And in the end we will discuss whether these products and this serum is working, especially if you are using it for tightening your pores or minimizing your pores. But before starting my video, I request you please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon button so that you can get notifications of my every video. Let's start the video. These serums mean to say Medi pore 9 tightening serum is especially formulated for tightening, minimizing your pores. And this is available in 50 ml packings with $44. It is a Korean skincare product especially and formulated to minimizing and clearing pores. It has key ingredients. It contains peptide 9 complex which is effective for your skin elasticity. It contains cocoa extracts and this is best for skin moisturizing. It contains botanicals ingredients. It is mild for your skin cares and good for your overall skin. Now talked about the benefits of this serum which the company and which the product claim, and this serum is good for sagging pores, the product claims, and it reduced acne, and acne due to excessive sebum secretions is also reduced. It controls blackheads and whiteheads, and it also tightens and smooths your pores. And professionally pore serums for widening and sagging pores. It creates tightness and dense facial skin barriers by carrying and solving blackheads, whiteheads, and broken oil in moisturized balance. It contains sebum control and soothing patent ingredients. Not only solve the cause of the large and sagging pores, but also density of pores. And all these are the product's claims. Now it contains other botanicals ingredients, like it contains fruit extracts, grape extracts, coffee extracts, and sunflower extracts, green tea extracts, and all these extracts are very good for your overall skins. Now I am going to tell you what is the way of applying this serum. After using the toner, apply appropriate amount of these serums on your face. Gently tap the serum to your skin to absorb it. Now the question is whether this serum is good for your skin. It only smooths your skin but not tightens and minimize your pores. After you can see that after applying of full bottles, there is no visible results in my skin porings minimizing. And if you want to use, and if you are searching for serums which tighten your pores, this serum is not for you. Especially it did not work on your pores. It did not shrink or minimize your pores after all. And this product does not work on your pores and does not works what it claims. And this is the honest review related to this product and serums. If you like my review, please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon button so that you can get notifications of my every video. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye bye.